Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So we have a big mess with these nails. I don't know what kind of look I wanted, but I did find something just to kind of give you guys an idea. So apparently these spring nails are really like happening. I was inspired with this one girl that I watch, as you guys can see. So these are spring nails. So she drew like an egg on one of them, which I thought was really interesting. And then we have like right here strawberries. Let me see if I can boom it up. Like a strawberry. I thought that was so cool. I've never done nails like that ever, but for some reason it's definitely caught my attention. It's all over Pinterest, what's the other one? Instagram, YouTube, and there was another one, I can't remember, TikTok. So I definitely have been seeing them a whole lot, so I thought just for fun, why not? I'm gonna do it. So I'll go ahead and be recording the, we're gonna record the art of it. So wish me luck. I hope they come out really cute. One of my kids, she wanted me to do her nails like that, so I guess I'll do it first. So if I mess it up, she'll be like, don't do my nails, Mom. So let's get to it. Okay, so I haven't filed this hand, but I did file one hand just to show you guys kind of like what the design I wanted to do. So there's different ones. The one that I wanted to start off with was the, they call it the evil eye. I want to start with that one first. So we're going to need white, and I just got it all over my fingers. Oh my gosh. Like always, you guys, I make a mess. We're going to use blue. So whatever blue you guys have, it's cool. As long as it's blue. And I believe some black is involved in here, which I never found. Okay, everyone, so we are gonna go ahead and do the evil eye, and I'm thinking we're gonna use the thumb for that one. So what I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and use a dotting tool. So if you have one, this one's a good size, I think. So for this one, they have, I'm gonna try to do it a nice decent size. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect, but this one's gonna look funny. So I'm gonna come up with my own look here. I know that they usually put like one eye on the nail, but I want to be a little creative, so bear with me. So my plan is to do one nail, evil eye, and then I'd like to do a happy face nail. The other one, I believe I want to do maybe, there's a nail in there that has eggs, like sunny side up. It looks like so cool. I love it. Okay, so we did the blue. And now we're gonna go ahead and put some white to this, so you might wanna wipe it off. Okay. This is gonna look creepy, but I love it. Okay, into the lamp. And then the way this picture has it, as you guys can see, it has a little dot that's black. So that's what I'm gonna put. And maybe I'll add like some little rhinestones to the look. So I do want to be creative on this. I kind of like it. Okay, so I do have, don't forget you guys, we're gonna do, let me boom this up. So I want to do these. They're super cute, but I don't know, I have to include the egg looking one in there. It is so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna use the other part of the dotting tool, which is the little skinny side, to put that little dot. See that? Okay. Ooh, creepy. Eyeballs. Okay, so that one's super cool. I do want to add my egg one in here. Just trying to figure out. There we go. I love this one. So you see, guys, we're gonna do one with an egg. It's gonna look like so weird, right? But I love the way she put it there. I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and use some white. So far we have one finger done, and then we'll get more creative as we go with it. So I think I'm gonna use the dotting tool for this one as well. I'm trying to think where the little egg is gonna look cute. Let's do it right here, why not? Let's do this. So the way she shows it on this picture, pretty much kind of like, oops. Okay, I knew I was gonna start doing my little mess. Okay, so let's grab some more white. It has to look like an egg, guys. Let's see if that looks like an egg. I guess. Okay, let's do an egg over here. So you don't have to be so perfect on this. Like, I'm just trying to make it look like an egg, you guys. I'm thinking that's like super cute. Okay. And then remember, we do have to add some yellow, which I still haven't opened. This video is supposed to be short. I shouldn't even be talking. Like, I should have the time lapse on my phone, and I do not have it, you guys. My apologies. Okay, so that way you guys get the picture of what I'm trying to do here. So we have some yellow. Clean this off, make sure it's okay. So right here. Oh, that looks so cute. I love it, you guys. Oh my god, that is super cute. Look at the wibbles. That is so cute. I love it. Obviously she did one nail, but I put 2 wibbles. Usually that's what I have to. I almost want to put another egg. Like, it looks so cute, you guys. Look at this. Oh, we have the evil eye. That is so cute. My goodness, I didn't think it would be that cute, you guys. I love it. We might make the egg a little bigger. For some reason, I'm feeling like the egg is just not looking. Okay, so I'm thinking that's okay. I'm not gonna push it that much on that part. I just want to do the outline. So we can go ahead and add our yellow to this. Okay, so I went ahead and did the blue, so you're gonna do a blue, and then we have the yellow, and obviously you're gonna put your 2 top coats. Let's do the happy face. Somebody's telling my dog no barking. So yes, I did mess up the little so that kind of looks funny but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. I'm not gonna fix it too much. Okay, so we're gonna get some white. Dots, we'll smear it around. Doesn't have to be perfect, fine. You have to wait for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this purple. My brushes are so bad, guys. All we're gonna do is just kind of smear it around. So see how I have it like this? Smear it around. I don't know if it's gonna necessarily help. I'm just trying to make the clouds go like not perfect, but trying to smear it around. So bad, as you guys can see how easy that was. So I'm gonna pause you guys for a second. Okay, so for this one I pulled out some purple for this design. Oh wait, this is pink. I should use pink. Yeah, you know what? Instead of purple, I'm gonna use pink. I'm gonna uplift the color because it's supposed to be for summer, so like a summer look. So with this one it looks like, okay, because I'm trying to copy the design from over here, you guys. So she kind of curves it like this. Never done this specific design, but I'm hoping it comes out cute because it looks super cute on the picture. I should add a little bit more, make it at least a little bit farther over here. Because the rest is going to be white. So we're going to go ahead and do white for the rest of it. Kind of trying to go as fast as I can here so that I don't make the video too long, but of course, like always, like my husband says, you always make the video super long. I mean, this is different little type of art, so it's kind of like I can't just do it like that. Okay, so let's go this way. So I'm gonna go this way. Okay, so far you go ahead and do 2 coats of that, and then for this side we're gonna put a dot like that, and on the other side we're gonna do, wait, I think I did it wrong. It was supposed to be lower, but it's okay. Okay, so I kind of put it like this and then into the lamp. Okay, so far that's what we have. I'll be back with the finished all done, YouTube. So this is the finished touches. We did the evil eye, the eggs, we did some clouds, happy face with a little pink tongue, and a little pink, I don't know what that is, actually, like what to call it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys learn how to do this design. I thought I'd give it a try. I'm gonna finish the other hand, so I might post it tomorrow. But if not, this is the finished touches. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you on my next video. This is another springy look. Summer, spring, whatever. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you on my next video.